Imagine waiting for something for whole of your life, praying, hoping, and longing. And then when you finally get it, you're asked to give it up. Could you do it? This was the test of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam when Allah asked him to sacrifice his own son. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to talk to you about story of Ibrahim alayhi salam and his sacrifice of his son Ishmael, mentioned in Surah As-Safat and Surah Al-Baqarah. So Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam prayed for son for years. Finally, Allah blessed him with a son, Ishmael. He loved him deeply. But then one night, Ibrahim alayhi salam, in his dream, he was sacrificing his own son. At first, he thought it was just a dream. But the next night, he saw it again and again. He knew this was the command from Allah. Now imagine his heart at that moment. The pain, the confusion. He went to his son and told him about his dream and asked him, what do you think? Ishmael alayhi salam, wise beyond his age, said, Father, do as you are commanded. You will find me patient, inshallah. No hesitation, no fear, just complete submission to Allah's will. The day came, Ibrahim alayhi salam took Ishmael alayhi salam to a quiet place. He laid him down, ready to carry the hardest test of his life. But just as he was about to do it, a voice called out, Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision. This was a test and you have succeeded. At that moment, a ram was sent from Jannah to be sacrificed instead. This was Allah's way of showing that faith and obedience matter more than the act itself. This story teaches us true faith means trusting Allah, even when we don't understand His plan. Ibrahim alayhi salam showed us that real submission means putting Allah first, no matter the cost. And in return, Allah never takes without giving something better. This Ramadan, let's ask ourselves, what are we willing to sacrifice for Allah? Is it our ego, our bad habits, or attachments to worldly things? True submission is not about loss. It's about trusting that whatever Allah asks of us will always lead to something better.